come back when it's more sunny. So guys, Brazil has the best Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry for the sound. You can hear the construction, but I want to show you guys around Le Blanc. It is this beautiful little town here, or city, or a neighborhood here in Rio. It's gorgeous. Nobody shows you this side of Rio, so I want to show you guys around. I want to visit the mall. This mall is beautiful, you guys. And it's just about 2 minutes away from where I'm staying, so I want to show you guys the mall. Also, I want to show you a cafe that I have been recommended. There's so many cafes around here. Also want to pick up a bunch of fruit because the fruit here in Brazil is so good and fruit is so healthy. And we'll see what else we get up to. So I really want to show you guys this mall and just the area because it's just beautiful around here and nobody shows you this side of Rio. So they always want to show you the, I don't know. All of Rio is nice anyways, but by the way, this is my outfit today. Cute. It's a little chilly, so I have my little sweater on. I got this from Soir. And then my Zara jeans. I feel like a cowgirl with this. I love about them. The skin is skinning. I'll link down below my guide. I have a guide called Eat Your Skincare, where I teach you how to eat because I taught myself first for glowy skin because it really is the food. I always tell people, they're like looking for a magic skincare product. It's the food, 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 it's what you're eating. In the guide, I have a grocery list. I teach you how to read labels when you're in the grocery store, what ingredients to stay away from. I teach you what foods are just gonna make your skin glow from the inside. So I'll link it down below if you want to grab it. It's called Eat Your Skincare. So let's head out to the mall. These books goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. There's a cafe here. I think I'm gonna eat there, but I think I'm a little early and nothing's open yet, so I'm gonna walk around for a little bit. Hey, I found. Oh, never mind. I think these are just the Psalms. Look at this one, you guys. Gorgeous. Oh, that's for people who can't read. The big letters. You guys, have you ever heard of a C.S. Lewis Bible? I'm freaking. It's just a Bible with C.S. Lewis's commentary inside. Hey, this is pretty cool. This book is about how Brazil has no skin color. Like, there's no look to a Brazilian person. Do we get these pants? They're a little big. They're kind of a vibe. And then how about this top? Now I'm heading to Gula. Matcha, I got matcha, yummy, yummy, yummy. This is my favorite drink in Brazil. This is my favorite drink. I get it every time I sit on the beach. It's matcha. It's so tasty. I get it without sugar. It can be quite tart. It's so healthy for you. I'm at a restaurant right now called Gula. Oh, this straw is made of sugarcane. That's really cool. But anyways, today, so I'll come back when it's more sunny so I can show you guys a better view. But it's so... I found this picture on Pinterest, and someone made a passion fruit and guava yogurt bowl. I'm going to try to make myself a passion fruit guava yogurt bowl because it looked delicious. So I just went to the grocery store and picked up some guava and passion fruit. Brazil has some of the best. So I'm just gonna put some yogurt in a bowl, some Greek yogurt of course. Then I'm gonna add a little honey. I think I need to open this. This honey's new. Now, let me open this. I don't know, the green part? That's, ignore the dirtiness of the table. That's my little snack. Obrigada, thank you. Thanks.